This sleek and sophisticated black finish suits any type of modern kitchen, enhancing the elegant ambiance that homeowners want to achieve. It's fingerprint resistant, keeping those smudges away to sustain a clean and great appearance at all times. It features a twin cooling plus system that cools the fridge and the freezer compartments separately. The innovative individual care mechanism keeps the food fresh while preventing odor. It also ensures optimal humidity so that perishable foods stay at their peak condition for longer. The Cool Select Pantry helps you store deli meats, yogurt, and drinks with the right temperature. This refrigerator's dimensions are approximately 36 by 70 by 35 inches. It has an external water and ice dispenser with a tall, wide opening that makes filling your glass more convenient. The Power Freeze function chills champagne or freezes your favorite popsicles instantly, while the Power Cool option drops the temperature swiftly. Both functions can be accessed by pressing the designated buttons. With Star Energy certification, this highly reliable fridge uses LED interior spotlights along with side and top zones, illuminating each corner and ensuring better visibility. The generous, easy-to-open doors will help you see everything at a glance and grab exactly what you need. Well, there's our first two products. If you have any comments or questions about them, feel free to write them in the comment section below and we'll reply as soon as possible. If you like this review and want to see more of our upcoming top 5 lists, please tap the bell icon. We'd also love it if you click the subscribe button to become part of our growing friendly community. And now back to our list.